Hello, welcome to Module 7 of the course Internet of Things, and we'll be discussing on Internet of Things application across industries. We'll pick some industries and we will look at the application of Internet of Things to such an industry. And we will be looking at Internet of Things in the aspect in healthcare and medical system, also look it in the aspect of military and defense operation. We look at it as per engineering and manufacturing. We will look at it in business and commerce. Also, we will look at smart homes and smart cities. And lastly, we will look at environmental and agricultural Internet of Things. Briefly, this module examines the practical deployment of Internet of Things technologies across a wide range of industries, illustrating how connectivity, data analytics, and intelligent automation are reshaping traditional operations. And Internet of Things is no longer a theoretical concept. It is a transformative force that enhances efficiency, improves safety, enables predictive insights, and also creates new values in sectors from healthcare to agriculture. And the bottom line is that you will be able to gain a comprehensive understanding of how Internet of Things is implemented across diverse domains, preparing them to design, preparing to design, manage, and also optimize Internet of Things system that meet industry specific needs and drive sustainable growth. Looking at the healthcare and medical system, Internet of Things in healthcare enables continuous real-time monitoring of patients, remote diagnostic, and also data-driven treatment plan, and it bridges the gap between patients and providers, improving accessibility, accuracy, and also the patient outcome. And when we talk about Internet of Things in healthcare, we it's the key components are wearable devices, and when we talk about this, they are smartwatches, the ECG monitors, the glucose sensors that are being used in healthcare and medical system. Also, we have the connected medical equipment like the ventilators, the infusion pump, image system with Internet of Things connectivity. We also have the remote monitoring platform like the cloud-based dashboard for telehealth and chronic care management. And lastly, we have the data analytics and AI, and this deals with predictive algorithm for early diagnosis and personalized treatment. And this is actually applied to cases like chronic disease management, where there is need for continuous tracking of diabetes, hypertension, and heart conditions. Also, it applies to emergency response like fall detection, cardiac event alert, and also automated EMS notification. Also, we have it's applied to hospital operations like asset tracking, equipment utilization, and sterilization monitoring. And lastly, it applies to telemedicine, which deals with virtual consultation, remote patient monitoring, and also post-discharge care. For military and defense operation, Internet of Things enhances situational awareness, logistics, and automation operation in the defense sector, and it provides real-time intelligence, and it reduces human risk in high-stake environments. It reduces human risk in high-stake environment, and the key components include sensors, sensor network, and this deals with battlefield sensor for motion, sound, chemical, and environmental monitoring. We also have the unmanned system rather, unmanned system, and these are drones, the unmanned ground vehicle, and we have the maritime robots. Another is the secure communication network, and for this is tactical Internet of Things network with inscriptions and low latency. And lastly, we talk about, the key component is the AI-powered analytics, which deals with threat detection, predictive maintenance, and mission planning. And this actually applies to surveillance and reconnaissance and in terms of real-time rear and ground monitoring, and it also applies to predictive maintenance where there is need for monitoring vehicles and weapon system health. Another which is applied to is logistics and supply chains in terms of smart tracking and of ammunition, fuel and supplies. And lastly, it applies to autonomous defense system where we talk about the sentry robots, mine detection drone, AI-driven combat support. For the Internet of Things, for the engineering and manufacturing industry, Internet of Things transforms manufacturing through smart automation, predictive maintenance, and real-time quality control, driving the fourth industrial revolution, and that is Industry 4.0. And the components of this include smart sensors and actuators, and this includes vibration, temperature, pressure, and vision sensor. We also have the industrial robotics, and this is a collaborative robot with Internet of Things connectivity. And we also have the edge and fog computing, which deals with local data processing for low latency control. And lastly, cloud analytics platform, which deals with production optimization, yield analysis, and supply chain integration. And it is applied to predictive maintenance in terms of vibration analysis to prevent machine breakdown. It's also applied to quality assurance in terms of computer vision for uh, defect detection in real time. Another is the supply chain visibility, the RFID and the GPS tracking of material and finished goods. And lastly, it's applied to the energy management, and this deals with meters and AI-driven energy optimization. For business and commerce, Internet of Things empowers businesses with real-time insights into operations, customer behavior, and also the supply chain, which enables data-driven strategies and enhance customer experiences. And key components include the smart inventory system, this with the RFID, weight sensor, and also the smart shelf. And we also have another, which is the Internet of Things enabled POS and kiosks, and it deals with customers' behavior tracking and personalized promotion. We also have the connected logistics, that is GPS, temperature, and humidity sensor used for shipment monitoring. And lastly, which is one of the key components, is the business intelligence platform, and it's actually an analytics for demand forecasting and operational optimization, and it's applied to the retail optimization, that is dynamic pricing, stock replenishment, low prevention. Also, it's applied to customer experiences in terms of beacon um, technology for personalized in-store offer. We also have the supply chain management as part of the application, and this is an end-to-end visibility from warehouse to delivery. And lastly, it's applied to smart workspace in terms of occupancy sensor, um, climate control, and security automation. Looking at the smart home and smart city, Internet of Things creates interconnected living and urban environment that enhances convenience, safety, efficiency, and sustainability for individuals and communities. And then when we talk about smart home, key components include smart thermostat, lighting, locks, camera, voice assistance, and it's applied to energy management, security automation, appliance control, and health monitoring. And its benefits stands in terms of comfort, cost saving, security, and accessibility. And for smart city, its key components include traffic sensors, um, environmental monitors, smart grids, public Wi-Fi, yeah, Internet of Things enabled infrastructure, and it's applied to urban mobility, energy management, public safety, and environmental sustainability. For environmental and agricultural Internet of Things, Internet of Things enables precision agriculture and proactive environmental stewardship through real-time monitoring and data-driven resource management and key components include environmental sensors, agricultural sensor, um, the Internet of Things gateway, and the WAN network, and also decision support system as key components. And it's applied to um, agriculture, agriculture in terms of variable rate irrigation, automated fertilization, fertilization, drone-based crop scouting. It's also applied to environmental monitoring. It's applied to smart greenhouses where we talk about automated climate control, hydroponic, and also yield optimization. Lastly, it's applied to livestock management in terms of health tracking, feeding automation, and local monitoring. In conclusion, Internet of Things industry agnostic, but but context specific, and each sector tailors Internet of Things to its unique challenge and opportunity. We've seen for healthcare, defense, manufacturing, um, or business. We've seen for smart house or smart home and cities, and we've seen for agriculture and environment. And the successful implementation of Internet of Things requires not only technical expertise, but also an understanding of industry dynamics, regulatory environment, and also ethical considerations. And Internet of Things is a tool for transformation when applied thoughtfully, and it drives innovation, efficiency, and sustainable growth across the globe. Thank you for listening.